Okay, we've got some really big news.
Yeah.
We bought our dream home.
We bought a house.
Literally a year ago. We put up our home for sale in Venice, and we had an idea of where we wanted to be. It's a particular neighborhood with particular homes, which we'll get into later. Pack things up in storage. We wanted to go to Hawaii for a month, you know, not having a place to be. Why not be in Hawaii? I was in my second trimester. I was feeling good. We had the time of our lives in Hawaii.
So did Velo.
Velo loved Hawaii.
Yeah, she didn't want to leave.
9 months after Hawaii and a brand new baby later, little baby Zaya,
We found the dream home.
we found our dream home.
We did.
And so we bought an Eichler.
We bought an Eichler.
What is an Eichler? There's this man, Joseph Eichler. He's a builder. He actually lived in a Frank Lloyd Wright home. He was very inspired by that experience. And so he wanted to bring modernism style of architecture to the masses. So what he did is that he came up with these tract neighborhoods of these beautiful modernist style homes, post and beam, floor to ceiling glass, atriums. I mean, just beautiful mid-century architecture. So there was these tract homes up in San Francisco, and there's actually a few here around the LA area. So after waiting and praying, the Eichler of our dreams came up and got us so good, we were able to lock it in. And in other news,
We're not moving in yet.
Do it
As
yet.
you can see, we're
do
still
it yet.
with the family.
Well, the reason is because we're crazy,
Yeah,
and
we're crazy.
the home is move-in ready. It is so
Beautiful.
beautiful. The family that lived there before did such a great job. But being designers and just knowing that this is our home for a bit, we just really want to make it our own. And there's just some things that I just have to do before we move in. So we're gonna be sharing what those are next time.
So really excited to share more updates on that coming soon. Stay tuned for new videos.
Bye.